Monash. I'm Northeast Germany. I'm from Laos and I'll be joining you very soon. I like to think of myself as a democratic type of leader for a couple of reasons. One is I like to get ideas and feedback from my team and my subordinates. The other is I also value very much diversity within a team environment. That's because I think people from different backgrounds, different experiences can provide a whole range of ideas that can help the team progress. However, as a team leader, I do not shy away from taking on the responsibility of making decisions as they're required, but I also consider the ideas and the feedback from the team in my decision-making process. There are two key aspects of leadership that I would like to develop in. One is vision and skill. In regards to vision, I would like to develop my analytical ability to identify potential business opportunities as well as issues. In terms of skill, I would like to develop in a few key areas. One is financial analysis, two is strategic planning, and three is critical thinking ability. I believe a good leader who can demonstrate authenticity, values, and reflective practices will enjoy a whole range of benefits from working with their staff. One, they will gain trust. Two, they will gain the support from their staff. And three, the staff will have the commitment to their work, and also they will be very loyal to the leader. To name a few, my signature strengths include honesty, optimism, patience, calm, and I'm also very friendly. Not to mention, I also have a multicultural background that helps me understand different environments. In the next 5 years, in addition to the things I mentioned previously, I would also like to gain more international experience, a broadened vision, as I mentioned earlier, a clearer personal identity, and also a more professional analytical skills. Happiness is the key objective of my life. In fact, everything that I do is empowered by my pursuit of happiness for myself and my family. In fact, happiness is my motivation. อยู่ต่อเลยได้ไหมอย่าเพิ่งปล่อยให้ตัวฉันไปเธอก็รู้ถึงหัวใจฉันอยู่ที่เธอหมดแล้วตอนนี้อยากได้ยินคำว่ารัก